If you're ready to start making money with ChatGPT and AI automation agency, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI. You're going to get access to what you see on the screen, which is the digital playbook, which includes done for you emails, done for you videos, all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we actually drive traffic to things that we can get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. All of this stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert, you don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist that I'm going to be giving you for free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money. Now, if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you got to do is drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and dive into the video. So on the screen right here is the digital playbook. And like I said, this is the step-by-step checklist that you're going to get access to, which I'm about to walk through. We have prompts down here. These are the prompts that I use for my short form content. Then we have a list of over 130 AI tools that you are able to get paid to promote. We have done for you videos right here. We have, 700 videos, and these are all short form. We have done for you emails in here. This is a more advanced AI leads course. And then we just have a library of just some random stuff, different resources, DM scripts. These are some Fiverr gives that I recommend, but everything right here is in a digital playbook. All you got to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, enter in your information, and then you would get taken to a page that looks like this. So this is the group. We have 125 members. Now, this is free, but I'm not going to make this free for very much longer. Once we get to 200 members, I'm going to make this not free anymore. So it's going to be, you're going to have to pay. There's going to be a paywall. So go ahead and get in while it's free. A lot of cool stuff is going to be coming in the new year, but let's go ahead and hop into the playbook and let me show you what you need to do to get started. First thing is grab the checklist, and then you're going to need to grab this tool called GoHighLevel. This is the tool that I've been using for not only this business, but my cleaning business as well. I love GoHighLevel. Like what it says, an all-in-one platform, allows you to send emails, create websites, everything that you would need. And I recommend this because this is going to allow you to, once you sign up, it's going to allow you to import my snapshot. And what a snapshot is it allows you to take all my funnels, all that stuff, and import it into your own account. Super crucial, super time consuming, and that is what you're going to need to do. So once you sign up, this is what it's going to look like. You're obviously not going to have anything in the dashboard, but the three areas that I want to talk about are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing, that's what you just saw, which is the social planner, how we schedule out our short form content. Automations, this is where the different email automations, opt-ins are going to be. And then sites over here is going to be your funnels, the front end of what people see. So how we're going to be making money is going to be through driving traffic to different AI tools. So go ahead and go through here, pick whichever one you want to promote. In this case, the first one up here is, we're just going to use GoHighLevel as an example. Now, I want to say 95% of these tools, if we scroll down to the bottom, they will have a section where it says affiliate program, and you're able to sign up to become an affiliate. Once you do, you get a link like this. So you're going to want to save this because this is how we're going to be able to make some money. So once you have this link saved, we need to start creating your back end and your front end. So let's go ahead and talk about the front end, which is going to be your funnel. So once you import the snapshot, you're going to have all these. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you choose, but let's just go with the digital playbook funnel, for example. The front end is going to look like when they enter in whatever your domain is. It's going to say, grab my checklist and AI tool right now. And honestly, you guys can just use my checklist that I give you, and that could be your lead magnet. I think that's a great idea, especially if you don't want to create long form content starting out with. Just use my checklist. I give you guys permission to use that as a lead magnet. So what's going to happen is they're going to put in their first name, last name, then it's going to take them to the checklist, or it's going to take them to a bridge page. But in this case, they enter in their information right here, and then they get taken to an automation, which I'm going to talk about. Let's see. Did I delete that automation? I think I put it in archives. Yeah, so let's go with this. high level automation here. You get all the archives and everything. So what this allows you to do is once they enter in their information, they will get taken into here where this sends them the checklist. I don't want to go through all this in this video right here. I just want to show you the steps in the process. So once they enter in their information, they get put into a sequence, but we have that figured out. Now we need to have the backend figured out, but now it's time to, which is the most important, which is the content. We need content because that is how you're going to get traffic to your site. There's two options that we can do with the content. We can either go with the replicate route, which I have videos over here that shows you how to create your own clone. So right here, this is set up based on 20 images of my own face. So if I would to type in something, you see right here, different aspect ratios, 1:1, that is for Instagram. I misspelled it. That is definitely not how you spell skateboard. There we go. Alrighty, so let me, why is it highlighted? So it should generate a picture of me on a skateboard. That's pretty good. So what I would do is I would take videos like this, put them in the Gen 3, make a long form video out of it. But if you're just getting started, you want to just go ahead and go down to where it says done for you short form videos, click there, or you can go click here and just download a bunch of these videos, put them in the CapCut, add some text over it, and start, what's the word for it? Start pumping these videos out. And how you do that is going to be using the marketing social planner, which allows you to schedule out content. So I have multiple posts going out every day on multiple social media accounts. And this is what's literally driving traffic to my different opt-in page. So as you can see right here, all of it's planned out. Actually, what I'm going to do in the next couple days, probably after this video, is I'm going to schedule out all my content for January. As you can see, I have some content scheduled out, but what helps me in this process is I literally have all my short forms scheduled out. So then all I have to worry about is recording my long forms and then doing some cold outreach, which is just like Twitter DMs and Instagram DMs. I don't talk about that too much, but I guess I can make a video if you guys want to know how I do that. But I'm just trying to maximize how many people see my content. That's the name of the game nowadays. It's just attention is the new currency. But coming back on topic, this is the social planner. How you're going to want to connect your accounts is just go to settings, connect your social media accounts, pick which ones you want to connect, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and then we have those connected. And then all we need to do is, so you would have those done for you clips already downloaded. Then we're going to hit new post, wait for this to load, create new post. Pick which social media accounts you want. Whatever your description needs to be, click this little video button right here. And then this is obviously going to be blank. Upload file. And then you're going to want to upload wherever you downloaded those clips. Upload it in here. And then boom, you'll click that. And then voila. You've signed up for GoHighLevel. You've created all your different accounts. You got your social media schedule and you have the videos. So now it's just, you need to replicate my different content and then it's just repeat, repeat, repeat. Now, if you have any questions, just go ahead and join this free community. You have access to me through the chat feature. Just reach out. I'll help you set up your systems. I understand it's the holidays, but I truly am here to help because what's worked for me can work for you. That's why I'm giving everything away for free in my process, because my mentor, he did the same for me. He gave everything away for free, and that's what I want to do for you guys. So that's the end of this video, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.